dancers!
It's time for another edition of Footwork Friday! I'm thinking Rumba!
Ooh.
It's time to Rumba.
But keep your zipper up.
That was naughty.
Ha! We're gonna make it up as we go.
Rumba time!
Feet, side, forward, back.
Side!
Side, cucaracha.
Ah!
Is the winner. Let's go side again.
Okay, side.
And side.
Side and side. Ah! Yes!
Okay.
Cucaracha. Close. Side. Close. Side. Close. Side. I say a follower sliding door.
Let's do this.
Okay. Boom. Boom. Delay. And then
What,
cucaracha.
more cucaracha?
Yeah.
How about we hook behind?
I like it.
And
Turn around.
like
Boom.
so.
Yes.
Cool.
Then, how about this guy? We're gonna rock,
Rock.
replace,
Replace.
close walk. Bam.
Close. Bam.
Uh-huh. Then little booty. Whoosh.
Whoosh.
Nice. Little snap of the foot. Skadoosh.
What about press line?
Oh, good idea.
How about half a turn? Tap the foot.
Huh.
Grapevine. Shall we
So
go
we're
forward?
gonna- Yes, forward.
Forward. Forward. Side back.
Side forward.
That's finished.
As my English teacher, Mrs. Bliss, would say, it's time to read, recite, and review. We've got a cucaracha in the house. 2, 3, close, 4. One side chasse. 2 and 3 and 4. Rock back. 2, 3 a delay. 4. Cucaracha. 2, 3 behind. 4 turn. 1 rock step. 2, 3 and 4 turn. 1, 2, 3, 4 hold. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1.
And that was a Riot Footwork Friday. None of that rhymed, but it doesn't matter because we did some awesome footwork that you can share with your friends, your coworkers. You know you're not going to be working Friday afternoon, so happy hour Friday footwork. Where's Tytus?
You rang.
Hello.
So don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribble nozzle. If you subscribe, we're going to help you improve insanely fast. That's why it's called Dance Insanity.
We're coming out with Footwork Fridays every Friday, so make sure you join us.
Because everyone on earth should dance. Especially people who hate dancing. So if you know someone who hates dancing, send this video and get them to like it.
Yes, because the world is definitely going to be a better place if everybody dances.
More dancing!
LiWen,
Tytus.
DanceInsanity. Adios!
Bye-bye.